Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to create an object dynamically from a given array of key value pairs using JavaScript. This technique is useful for building objects on the fly or processing structured data. Let's dive in. The problem involves taking an array of key value pairs and transforming it into an object. For example, in the array of A1 and B2, it becomes A1, B2. This transformation is simple yet powerful for many use cases. This function uses the reduce method to iterate over the array of key value pairs. For each pair, it assigns the key value to the object being built. This process ensures all pairs are added to the resulting object. Here's how it works. The process begins with an empty object. Then, for each key value pair in the array, we add the key and its corresponding value to the object. This approach ensures all pairs are included, and the final object is returned. Let's summarize our examples. For the array of A1 and B2, the output is A1, B2. Similarly, for the array of 110, 220, and 330, it produces 110, 220, 330. Each key value pair in the input arrays maps directly to the object. The ES6 version uses destructuring to simplify the assignment of key value pairs, and the spread operator to build the object dynamically. It achieves the same result, but with cleaner syntax. In this lesson, we learned how to dynamically create an object from an array of key value pairs. This method is efficient and widely applicable in data processing and transformation tasks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.